Hey guys, Josh Ma back in another video. Okay guys, so today I bought this weird snack. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Okay guys, please don't get so disgusting, but I'm gonna try the Larvets. Okay, original worm snack, and this cheddar cheese. Okay, comment down below if you like this video. Guys, I need 15 likes on this video, please. Okay, so, gonna eat it. So, right now, I'm gonna open it right now. Alright, guys, I just got it out from the package. This is what it looks like, guys. I am gonna die from this. Don't want to eat it, guys. Oh, guys, tell me if I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna touch it, guys. I'm gonna touch it. Alright, guys. Just open it out. But guys, I have other snacks I'm gonna. Oh, I have other snacks I'm gonna do. I'm touching a worm, guys. This is so disgusting. Can't believe I just ate a worm. Okay, guys, YouTubers, they say it's good. They do not even tell you what is it feel like. Mine is bacon, and mine is cheddar cheese. Kind of tastes like crispy stuff, but like literally you're eating these, and then look, it's like popcorn. I don't like this, guys, but I gotta do it for the viewers. Guys, comment down below if you want to get a shout out. 2 days, okay? Forgot to shout out people. Say I liked and subscribe this video. You have to say that in the comment section. Like and subscribe. You like on this video, and comment to say I like and subscribe. You will get a shout out. And if I get 20 subscribers, I might celebrate, okay? So here's my last one. Okay. Guys, let's go. Guys, please help me. I don't like these. Who would like to eat these? I know Tarzan would like to eat these, but I'm gonna eat my last one, okay? Guys, please like and subscribe. Comment down below that you did it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.